Hi everybody, welcome to another live stream. Welcome. No one is here as yet. I try as best as possible to be on exactly 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, same time as New York. So here we go. Alright, so meanwhile persons get their notification head into the stream. Let me just speak a little bit about what has been happening with regards to my experience as my experience, right? Okay, so I am hi. There's somebody in the chat. I'm on my tablet, so I can't see who is it. I'm trying to get over to my channel on the laptop. That way, I can actually see your comments, and I can actually, we can talk with regards to that. Virginia Fisherman, hey guy, what's up? Nice to see you. Thank you for being a part of my stream. It's intended that this stream will be for about 60 minutes. Right? It's about an hour. Right? So let's get into the meat of the matter. So I went to the dentist, and my dentist was saying that he doesn't understand how is it that his okay, hold on a sec, so I can see. What's up, Aquafunk? I see I've actually taken off the name Aquafunk slash Freak, and now you are actually Aquafunk Aquatics. That's a nice move, the school move, because it's a freaky thing. It's you're gonna actually freak out everybody when you lose the breeding competition. So you know, yeah, you're gonna lose, right? So I'm getting a little bit settled here with my device, right? So here I'm live on YouTube for the next 60 minutes. Now I went to my dentist, and my dentist every 6 months, right? Hi Adele, how are you? You left Miss Green. Miss Green. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's nice. All right, so I went to the dentist the other day. My dentist and I was actually speaking, and he shared with me the fact that he keeps his aquarium outside on the back porch, but where he's at a location where the temperature is very yes, that's true. That's true. It's shorter and it's much easier, right? All right, cool. So I went to the dentist, and he says that he doesn't know what happened. For months, for probably years, he had been keeping his aquarium on the front, the porch at his house. He lives in the hills, right? And my guppy, nice to see you. I saw you this morning. You still continue your good work, brother. Cool. All right. Gallinger. Should I say just Don, because I don't know if I'm pronouncing that properly, right? Nice to see you all in the street. All right. Hopefully let me just finish, and then I acknowledge those persons there. All right. So he has his aquarium. He has some angels, and I told him that I do all. And he was amazed, and he was talking to me, and he said that his water was clean, aeration in the water was okay, and he doesn't know what happened. It was like a cold, very cold night, and he woke up in the morning, and all of his fish actually was dead. Right now, I honestly, I suggested that the aquarium wanted to be clean, or probably something was lingering in the aquarium, but he assured me that he did some maintenance on the aquarium about 2 days before, and I'm trying to get something off this device. It's popping up a little bit, guys. Alright, so you're not seeing the pop-up, but I'm seeing it. I'm trying to get it off. Alright, so hopefully it's off. Right, so it boils down to temperature. the rapid, or should I say, the to moves from very warm nights to very cool mornings. And the thing that couple all the danger is that he actually keeps his fish outside and balcony. Yes, it have a thing which comes over, so the rain. He woke up in the morning and all his fish was dead. So they advised him that he can actually start his aquarium. Remember that I keep ponds, and my fish rough. So for example, for the past for the past week, I've been feeding my fish once every other day. Sorry, right? Yes, yes and no. I can keep angelfish, but it's like I'm just not up to the challenge, right? I might try that again, but I like fish that are hardy, tough, that fish that I can actually, can take chance with I can't take chances with angel and the fish name again, peacock. I can't take chances with those fish. Those fish have to be stayed in. Those fish have to be placed inside, and they have to have special care. All right. So unlike the Oscar, the Mollies, the Swordtail, the Jack Dempsey, the convicts, the tetra, all these fish, to me they are hardy, so therefore I breed them in the pond, and everything's okay with them. But as far as as far as the angel fish is concerned, along with some other fish, I am kind of hesitant in keeping them. However, I should have what I call it, some thing in it. I put the aquarium in, and I think I'll be placing them somewhere around here where you will see my stock aquariums. I might just decide to start to keep some other fish in which I keep, such as angelfish and guamis. It depends, because I wouldn't really keep these fish, angelfish and guamis, in ponds. I would keep them in aquarium. So today we're talking about fish keeping progress, and we're talking about I won't go much into the in which I have in which was published Friday evening, because there's a commentary coming out. I think it's tonight with regards to that, so you can check that out as I actually go through the top here. And this thing is stuck in every minute. I don't know what's happening. Alright, so my channel, my stream is primarily about fish keeping. Now I have noticed that, well, I have to, whether or not I am going to be breeding convicts profusely, I'm going to be breeding goldfish, right? Now what happened is that my convicts have been breeding a lot. I mean, last week I checked and I had a new spawn. The week before I had a new spawn, right? It's more difficult in Jamaica to sell convicts to the pet shop than it is to sell goldfish to the pet shop. Reason being is that the pet shop would have X amount of racks and aquariums, and according to the supervisor at the pet shop, the convicts have to be housed in aquarium by itself, and that's a little issue where it's in the pet shop. They normally mix up some of the convicts with other fish, and the convicts usually kill the other fish, right? So because of that, that particular pet shop don't want any convict. Other pet shop, what they do, they normally place the male and the female convict separate in two separate location with no other fish in it. So therefore, as a result of that, what you find is that the convicts kind of sell, yeah, because there's not much hassle. All right, cool. Now so I have a good amount of goldfish to be, I have a lot of convicts. I have probably about roughly about 200 convict fries, right? So I am here considering whether or not I should separate the males and the females. so as to not to, you know, have them actually having this cannibalistic attitude towards each other going forward, because whenever the fries are there and the space is small, they will actually consume each other, right? The thing is that I'm using a convict pot, right? So it's kind of a little complicated. I expect to get another pond for my goldfish. To get another pond for my goldfish before. So where that comes in, I should have roughly about uh, in when the time do comes, right? Presently, I have, the last time I checked, um about 150 goldfish that is actually growing out. I am there now. Again, I am lagging a little bit. I guess this thing with YouTube, I'm seeing zero likes on my tablet, right? But on my computer, I'm seeing 9 likes, and you have a little buffering and you have a little stuff. Same with when I was watching. There's this thing where it's because a lot of persons in overload, get sluggish, so therefore the freeness in movement, it's not really there. I have Hi Tiana Vlogs. Hi guys, this lady, she was once a Jamaican, now she's a Canadian. She's no longer a Jamaican. Check out the Irish Marsh video that she did. It works well for men. Alright, I probably might try it with my fish, just blend it out and feed it to them and see if I can get extra fries, right? So I'll do that. Alright, how many goldfish do you? So I'm here, guys. I don't know what's going on, but there's this lag within the system. I'm seeing where the time is 12:47. 14 minutes, so I don't know what's happening, and the system is okay as far as my end is concerned. All right, what's up? I have about 4 different types of goldfish, right? I have Comet, Blackmore, Detail, and Fancy Tail, right? And all fours they interbreed, so I get different variety whenever the spawn actually. New York Gold, and hey, New York Gold, brother, you need to do more video, man. I saw, well, you were on the list, I think, but you never make it to the 100. And I know that you have some awesome skills in producing some videos. To get this thing work properly. I don't know the reason why, but it's lacking. Alright? It's lacking. It's lacking. So much that is really get annoying. So if it's annoying me that much, I can imagine. So as far as my fish keeping is concerned, I fish using, well, I keep ornamental fish using these barrel to different countries to their friends and their family with food and clothing and all that. Those are the barrels in which I use. I also use barrels that are that come, like syrup, those edible stuff, right? So I do not use barrels that have that comes with like the chemicals for agriculture. That's a no-no, because what happened the last time I heard, I think it was a garbage bin, and what happened is that when he put his head down into the barrel to actually wash out the barrel, he inhaled some of these chemical, and he ended up dying right in the box, right? Yeah, I'm trying to wonder why. Hold on, give me a sec. I'm gonna see how best this thing can start out, because it was never usually like this. Alright, usually I could stream and everything would be okay. Give me a sec. next week when I'm streaming my 5S, because what happened is whenever I try to these days, whenever I'm trying to use a tablet to stream, what happened is that it's kind of giving me a little issue. But with the iPhone, it should be a little bit better. I apologize. Right, so I'm gonna see if I'm gonna put a chair in the side of the yard, and then I'm gonna continue my stream. All right, so give me a sec for that. So I'm gonna see if I can go a little bit nearer to the phone says, to see how best it works. All right, so I'm going to go in my yard. Okay, bear with me. Okay, so I am at the side of my yard. I'm gonna see if I can get. So here we are. So I have been doing several different work since morning with my fries. I realized that I have a lot of goldfish, so I have to be moving my goldfish from its original location. Looking at the size, 4-year-old butterfly car that just died because the gardener was stopping. Yeah, that happened. You have to pay me, right? I have right now. However, the sad thing is that I only have I have 4 cars. Okay. I should do a video on that. Can fish angler? Yeah, man, you made it on my list. Right? He's from Jamaica and he's Chinese thing. He went out and he did some fishing thing and all that. But I'm trying to consider whether or not I should include persons who are what you call it, anglers within 100 list, or I should do just strict, because the both of us have 2 different focus with regards to fish keeping. Anglers actually just catch the fish and sometimes they release, or sometimes they cook it, right? While ornamental fish keepers like myself, they practically show you the keep and the care of the different fish species that exist within their environment. All right, so morning. From morning it has been buffering like that. When I was watching Aquarium Monster, it was buffering like that same way. And when I was watching D, it was buffering same way. But hopefully it can hold. If not, probably I might have to end and then probably just do a little video and up it and call it a day. But this is kind of getting annoying. I Randy, yeah, all right. So I have a lot to share, but this thing is buffering, so it's kind of giving me a little headache. I know it's gonna give those persons a headache also when they're actually watching to see it stuck in. See, now it's gone down to 5. Now it's up back to 6 because this thing is just buffering. All right. So it's minutes after 4, and time is a little bit cloudy. It's not cold and it's that warm. It's okay, right? Brother. Oh, my latest video. I think I released it. Well, not really. My latest video. Yes. That's Orlando Angler. Check out my latest video where I looked at the top 100 YouTube fish tubers. I think you are. I think you are in the first 10. I think so, right? I need to refresh my knowledge on the SPSS statistics program, so it will actually working better for me than to use the Excel. As I put in data, it can actually spit out the ranking and all that better, right? So what I did, So I explained already last week, and I did a promo video, and I also explain again using the the description below the top 100. So there are several non-monetized fish tubers out there. Those persons who actually keep care, maintain, and show their fish, right? Cool. So what happened is that a lot of persons are being discouraged as to where they go, nobody knows what their work and all that. So I advise, underneath advisement of some of my friends, say that listen, this would be a good idea. Yeah, man, cool. So I said that this would be a good idea to help push some person's channel, because a lot of persons have been doing really awesome work on YouTube, doing videos, doing a lot of things, trust me, better than me, right? They're doing really good, right? But the thing is that they are not being seen by you out there, right? So this is an opportunity to show you there. Listen, these channels are not monetized. These channels are not doing anything fancy because they are not getting monies from YouTube. These channels are just normal person like me and you, and they are doing things, right? And really awesome. They're really good, right? No, not too shabby, brother. Not too shabby. Aquafong, Aquafong, I know I have to get used to the whole idea of Aquafong Aquatics, because we're calling him Aquafong slash Angel Free, right? So it's Aquafong Aquatics, right? He is a swag guy. He can speak about a nail, and everybody's just interested in looking at that nail. He's just like that, and he's a person who can get people together, right? So he's really awesome that way. And my other friend, Rob 93, is also cool. The thing is that he has a lot of, I call it, responsibilities. So therefore, whilst you might be looking at things to deal with, he has a lot on his plate, right? So you have to see if he should, let's say, spend a month and produce video like 3 videos a week. Trust me, I think that he will be monetized very, very, very shortly, right? So that's it. But he is not. He's like me. He is this person who just do it because he likes it, and he appreciate friendship from others, sharing information, sharing ideas, and as a result of that, he has won the hearts of many persons, and thus he's where he's at right now, right? For those persons who have not yet checked out Aquafunk's channel, check it out, right? And he also have a Google Plus account, a Google Plus thing wherein I think it's mob something on the sort, right? And once you go on his channel, have a conversation with him, ask him about the mob, and he can actually, honestly, I'm like below, don't know everything, right? Cool. All right, cool. So there's a lot of interested persons there, and there's this person. I'm not sure if that person is from Japan or China, but he's from an Asian country. I just call him Chi. He has some Chinese writing and CH, right? He's always saying, he always just write good, right? I guess that he's not that prolific with his English language, so he just say good, right? And I've been watching his channel, and although his channel is not in English, but his channel shows some awesome fish. And there's this other channel, the name of the guy, his name is start with some, I can't pronounce it, right? But there's two Asian, uh, is on the list that I think is really cool. Don't know if all the fish that have been shown is his. Golden Fish Tank, nice to see you. For those persons who are not aware, Golden Fish Tank has changed his icon. So usually, and Amphibian and Fish Channel have actually changed his name to, I think it's Corey Exotics, and I think someone else have actually changed their name. I'm not sure if it's D or something at the sort. I'm not 100% sure, but my advice to you guys, when you change your name, put your own name in bracket and your new name beside it, at least for a bit, probably a week or a month, so that persons can know that it's you, right? Because if it was not mentioned before, if anything, you can move your Oscar inside the kitchen. This thing is buffering again. All right, so um Golden, seen this channel before. I've never seen this channel before. 808 Tang. Wow, it's cool. Nice to see you, brother. 808 Tang. Is that your original name, or is it that you have actually changed your name from something else to and today? Alright. Those who don't know Aquafunk, I'm a lacto vegetarian, so I eat milk, fish, cheese, egg, and vegetables. No chicken, beef, oxtail, nothing else, right? You know, food, fish, protein, good, right? So I am looking at. Okay. So now I have a good amount of convicts, and I'm kind of tempted to put my all my convicts back into the IBC tote. But the thing about it is that convicts actually breed a lot. So if I put them in the IBC tote and with fries, so what I'm thinking about getting rid of them in regards to selling some of them, right? That way at least, you know, I would kind of cook on the older stock. So therefore, I have about 200 fries. I mean, like 200, literally 200 fries, actually, coming on, right? So, guys, yeah, it's buffering. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know, but every morning it has been buffering. I don't know if it's a local thing. I don't know if it's as a result of YouTube having a lot of rotations on their system. So I am presently outside my at the side of my yard to complete this live stream, right? And it's giving me hell. I don't think I have flowed for about 10 minutes. Every time when I reach like probably about 6 or 7 minutes worth of talking, it's just start buffering again, right? So something weird happened to me. Hold on.